Alright guys, so I'm doing this little testing with the Zippos, and that's how this Zippo is burning with that gasket in there. And clearly that's not good. I don't know what's going on here, but we're going to investigate more in the future. So stay tuned. This is after the incident. Does not want to light anymore. So let's take the insert out. Pop this thing off because there's still fuel in there for sure. Oh, I forgot. I need to get a screwdriver. Alright, got the screw started. Pop that out. Take this off. I want to see if this literally makes any difference right now. Alright. Screw this back down. Alright. Trying to keep everything in frame here. So you can see all this. Alright. So that's nice and tight now again. Let's get the case going. Look at that. It lit. I want to do this on camera specifically to see if taking that gasket back off, you can see the wicks burning a little bit, to see if it would actually light, which it is. It's kind of lighting now. I'm not sure if the gasket is making that fluid build up so much so that it's not even lighting, or the fact that when all the fluid, you know, burned out the side, it's affecting it somehow. You know, I don't really know. Just kind of a weird thing, but now it'll light without the gasket.